This video shows how to unbox and assemble a Xerox VersaLink C625 color multifunctional printer. Cut and remove the bands and corner boards from box. Unlatch and remove the 4 plastic box locks. Lift and remove the outer box. Remove the manual, toner cartridges, and power cord from the top of the printer. Remove the packing materials from the printer. Unwrap the printer. Use 3 persons to lift the printer out of the plastic bag. Remove the tape on the duplex automatic document feeder. Remove the protecting cover on the control panel. Open duplex automatic document feeder, then remove the protecting cover. Open door A and remove the red plastic loops and clips. Close door A. Open and pull up door B, then remove the red plastic loops and clips. Remove the toner cartridges from their packaging and install the toner cartridges into the printer. Push the toner cartridge into place until it clicks. Close door B. Remove the tray from the printer. To move out the length or width paper guides, pinch the guide locks, then slide out the length or width paper guides. Fan the paper and load the paper in the tray. Do not load paper past the tray's maximum fill line. Insert the tray back into the printer. If required, install the options such as optional trays, convenient stapler, wireless network adapter, or optional hard disk before powering on the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Install the printer network connection. The printer is now ready to power on.